Hacking Wi-Fi. These days, Wi-Fi networks are more secure using WPA2 pre-shared key with AES encryption. However, WPA2 has a vulnerability in the four-way handshake process. To hack Wi-Fi, we capture the four-way handshake packet and look for the encrypted key. Once we have the encrypted key, we use a word list to crack the password. 1. List all available network interfaces using the Aircrack-ng tool. 2. Monitor the desired network interface with the Aircrack-ng command. 3. Capture the network interface traffic using Aircrack-ng. 4. Capture required data from the specific network using Aircrack-ng with the network's BSSID. 5. Deauthenticate the client using Aircrack-ng to ensure they're not already authenticated. 6. Verify the captured handshake file. 7. Stop Wi-Fi interface monitoring with Aircrack-ng. 8. Crack the password using Aircrack-ng with a word list and the captured handshake file. Remember, hacking Wi-Fi is illegal and unethical. This video is for educational purposes only.